To activate Google Assistant on the Poco X7, first of all, we need to open our settings, scroll down to the Google right here. Then move to All Services and click on Search Assistant and Voice, and then move to Google Assistant. Now we can select Hey Google and activate Hey Google feature, which allows you to call out your Google Assistant by saying this phrase. If you do it for the first time, then you will need to perform voice match model, or if it doesn't work, you can delete or retrain that match. Then we need to scroll down to actually activate our Google Assistant in Digital Assistants from Google. You need to pick a Google Assistant, and now it should be active. Additionally, I'm also going to show you how to call out your Google Assistant quickly. You can click on this home button if you're using buttons to get a Google Assistant, or move to additional settings of your phone and select gestures shortcuts, and then there's the option to launch Digital Assistant with the power button also. So that means you need to click and hold power button right here for half a second to call out your Google Assistant as well.